Good morning, good morning. It's about 5:30 a.m. and we're up. Just went through and put these pieces of tape on to identify the places in the wall that need some drywall work before we begin painting again, putting on probably the last coat of paint. I don't know if you can see that divot right there. Let's see. Yeah. A little bit of sanding spots that needed as well, where the paint stripped a little bit. So I'm already 19 minutes into this, so I'm already past the 10 minutes, but my goal for this morning is to go ahead and take care of the drywall work because it's got to dry. I'm going to use 5-minute mud. Actually, I should probably use I'm going to use 45-minute mud for that because it's a lot of repairs and I don't want to waste the mud. So I use 45-minute mud and put those on the wall, and that'll give it time to dry today for when I can get back to it tonight and give it a good another painting, and then the painting should be done. So we'll see where we're at.